Welcome, everyone, where we decode the success mantras of high achievers. Today, we're diving into the treasure trove of wisdom, gleaned from analyzing 1,000 high performers, from corporate leaders to elite athletes. Here's what you'll unlock today: the true essence of excellence. Insider secrets of high performers. First up, the definition of excellence. It's a shapeshifter. It evolves with time, trends, and circumstances. But what's the 21st century benchmark? It's the prowess to dive into complex problems and act resourcefully. As AI advances, we must polish our uniquely human traits. Here comes the game changer: intellectual stamina. Unlike physical stamina, it doesn't wane with age, but continues to develop. Nurturing intellectual stamina is your golden ticket to becoming a high performer. Now, let's dissect intellectual stamina. Imagine your mind as a computer. Knowledge and skills are the applications, while thinking and behavior patterns are the operating system. The applications are diverse, like sales or management skills. They are ever-evolving and must adapt to trends. Your OS, on the other hand, is constant but needs regular updates. It's crucial to have a robust OS, or your skills applications won't run efficiently. However, there's a catch: many harbor a flawed OS but are complacent. Here's a nugget of hope: age isn't a barrier. Commitment to change can overhaul your OS, even in your 40s or 50s. Transitioning to point 2, let's pinpoint the aspects to emulate. High performers not only exhibit excellence, but can also recognize and absorb it from others. Thanks to our brain's mirror neurons, we have the innate ability to mimic observed actions. These neurons bridge the gap between observing and emulating. Engaging with role models and even reading about them can stimulate growth. Now, fasten your seat belts as we unveil the 7 coveted thought and action patterns of high performers. Take the plunge, believe in possibilities, and embrace the challenge. Adapt and pivot if the current path doesn't yield results. Don't hesitate to make alterations. Respect diversity, embrace different values and cultures. Make work your play, infuse passion into your profession. Be a perpetual student, continuous learning is key. Build bridges, relationships can catapult you to success. Shift perspectives, reassess situations critically and objectively. Let's exemplify with Shohei Ohtani, a baseball prodigy. His relentless belief and pursuit of becoming a two-way player are testament to the first principle. To wrap it up, cultivate intellectual stamina, foster a strong mental OS, and integrate these 7 action patterns into your life. This alchemy will propel you onto the path of high performance. Take this knowledge, apply it, and pave your way to excellence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Take care and see you in the next video.